Let's learn parts of seeds. Parts of seed: hilum, micropyle, seed coat, epicotyl, hypocotyl, radicle, cotyledon. Seed coat: the outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. Seed coats help protects the embryo from injury and also from drying out. Cotyledon: it is the first and the tender leaf that emerges when the seed germinates. It is also called the storage unit of seed as it provides nutrition to the different parts of an embryo. Radicle: the primary root or radicle is the first organ to appear when a seed germinates. It grows downwards into the soil, anchoring the seedling. Hypocotyle: a hypocotyle is a germination seedling stem, normally found underneath the seed leaves but above the root. This leaf-like structure tends to grow in response to light stimulation. Epicotyl: epicotyl extend above the cotyledon, composed of the shoot apex and leaf primordial. Primordial are the plant's first true leaves and shoot of the plant. Hilum: a hilum is a scar or a mark left on a seed coat by the former attachment to the ovary wall. Micropyle: micropyle occurs in the ovule and so ultimately is the seed after fertilization.